Continental Sport Contact 7. A really nice tire. We already spun it on the road force balancer. 25 newtons of road force is really low for this size of tire. It could even get better, but we're not gonna do it. This tire we already rotated in relation to rim a little bit because the road force was higher. I believe it was 50. It was 50 before, now it's at 25. And we can also just spin it again to see. Yes, please. It looks like a perfectly straight tire, perfectly round. It is showing 25 newtons of road force. Really good tire. It's going onto the vehicle. So this is the second tire. Also Continental Sport Contact 7. It's a little more road force, 50 newtons. That's still well within the limits, and it's also straight. There is no unevenness. I could check spin it just to see, just to show you. There you go. Just needs some balancing and it's good to go. The car will not be vibrating.